Hello, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In today's video, we'll learn how to create handwritten notes directly from a PDF. Before moving ahead, it's very important to understand one thing clearly. If you truly want to learn something properly, you should always study from a real book and create your own notes. You can use AI to improve or enhance those notes, but you should never completely depend on AI-generated notes for studying. Everything I'm showing in this video is meant to give your notes a visual representation, not to replace your original effort. Visual representation can make a topic easier to understand, but there is no replacement for real hard work. Please always remember that. Now let's understand how to create notes from a PDF. First, go to Gemini. Here, I have a PDF of a book chapter. We'll upload this PDF here first. After uploading, go to Tools and select Canvas. Keep the mode set to fast. Now, give this prompt. Study and understand the uploaded PDF, and then convert it to handwritten study notes for revision and exams. Use a student handwriting font on lined notebook paper. Use a blue ink pen for explanations and points, a black ink pen for headings, definitions and theorems, and a green color pen for example. Use a yellow neon marker to highlight important terms and formulas. Do not skip any important topic or point. Add hand-drawn, clearly labeled diagrams or flowcharts on the right side. Add multiple small doodles to explain the concepts better. Add any additional instructions if needed, and then click Submit. Sometimes you may get a response like this. If that happens, simply click on Try Again without Canvas. Then give a new prompt like Convert it into handwritten study notes for Google Slides. The final output should resemble scanned handwritten pages, making it perfect for revision and exams. You can even remove the last line if you want. After that, click Submit. Many times you'll get the slides format in a single step. If not, just follow the steps I've explained. Now, Gemini will create notes from the uploaded PDF in slide format. We selected slides because we need the notes on multiple pages. If we had selected image format, Gemini would have generated all the notes in a single image, which wouldn't be useful. That's why slide format is the best option here. Here are your notes. If you want to make any changes, everything is fully editable. You can also download these notes in PDF format. Just click on the arrow next to Export to Slides, and you'll see the option to download as PDF. This is the final PDF output. You can either print it or use it digitally as it is. You've received notes using AI, but don't use them directly. First, cross-check and verify them with your original book. Only after proper verification should you use them. Random prompts can help temporarily, but long-term growth is only possible with the right system. I've created a proper workflow for educational content creation. If you want to take advantage of it, you can join the course. All the details are available in the video description. If you learned something useful from this video, don't forget to like it. And for more such practical tutorials, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video.